Hey everyone, Stephanie here. Welcome to my channel, Stephanie GTV, where I do makeup hauls and fashion stuff. I'm going to do some commentary on this channel, and yeah, a little of everything is going to be on this channel. A little hodgepodge channel, but right now I have a haul, a makeup haul. If I need more makeup, I said in the last video, y'all, I wouldn't get no more palettes, but clearly I told a story because I got more palettes right now. These are from Dollar Tree, y'all. Believe it or not, Dollar Tree makeup girl. We do beauty on the budget over here because we're artists. I'm an artist and a jewelry designer. So most of my money goes into my business for my jewelry and buying stones and stuff like that. So, I have to budget elsewhere. So I saw these two palettes, right? I was in Dollar Tree looking for just crafty stuff. And I came down the makeup aisle and I saw these. So I Googled this. And apparently, this is a good dupe for the Jeffree Star, one of Jeffree Star's palettes. This Jeffrey is problematic, as we know. If you don't know, he's problematic. So you can Google it, girl. Look him up, Jeffree Star. But he has beautiful makeup, right? His palettes are really pretty. So apparently, this is a really good dupe for that. And this one is called Unisex. I did look this up, right? And look at these colors. What do y'all see these colors? Look at this mirror. First of all, I know y'all see my camera and my mug, but try not to do a glare. But look at these colors, just beautiful, really, really pretty. Like for dollar store makeup, let me see. They apparently have really good pigment, I guess. I have not tried these yet. Let me see. I bought a few of them. Let me see. Hold on. So I bought a few of these, okay? A few palettes, and I just really ooh. Ooh. Okay, okay. We like her. Okay, we gonna see. Oh, really nice. Look at the pigment on that. Beautiful. Oh, okay. Oh, yes, ma'am. We like it. A nice little pigment. I mean, I don't know. I don't have any Jeffree Star. I don't own any Jeffree Star makeup, but I guess this is a good dupe for that. For $1.25, y'all, at Dollar Tree. So this is palette number two. It just says number two. I guess they're numbered, right? So this is number two, and then this is number three. I'm looking for number one. They're really nice. I like them. Yeah, what can we say, girl? I'm sure if you mix these with some other stuff you have, layer it. Once you start layering and blending, you know, it'll look really, really nice. Oh, I love these colors. I love earth tones. I like earth tones and jewel tones. Look at her. They're kind of rich too. Really nice. Let's see. Let's look at her. Oh, look at that. Ma'am. Ma'am. How cute. Look at that. Beautiful. Well, y'all, this is not a bad palette for $1.25, I'm gonna say. All right. It's really, really cool. There's some matte shades here and some shimmers. So if you build these up, I think they will be pretty nice. You know, right? I think so. I'm no makeup guru, but I do love a good beat, a good face beat. So we have those from the Dollar Tree. Now I got some stuff from TJ Maxx. Let me show you that, okay? All right. So I found a curling iron, a Hot Tools. I use Hot Tools to curl my hair. And this is the 1 inch barrel. Now I have the 3/4 inch barrel, and I think it's the 1.5 inch barrel, the big one. I had this one, God, 4 or 5 years ago, y'all, and it broke, and I never bought another one because they were so expensive at the time. These things at the time when I was looking, they were probably $60 because they're really, really great, and they get really hot. So, yeah, as you can see, it heats up to, it says 430 degrees Fahrenheit. So it gets pretty hot, right? It's good for textured hair and stuff like that. So I like this 1 inch barrel. And y'all, this was only, if I can get in the shot, $19.99. TJ Maxx had a lot of curling irons and flat irons and blow dryers and all kinds of stuff. I mean, sometimes they do, but nothing that I could use, like I'm really in the market for a new blow dryer too. So I got to get one of those. But this was the first time that I personally have seen the Hot Tools at TJ Maxx. So I grabbed it, y'all. I was like, oh, I really didn't go in there for this. I went in looking for purses. I didn't find any purses, but I did get this Hot Tools curling iron. So I'm excited about that, right? So I can curl my hair. And then I got the J Lo fragrance mist. It smells really, really good. All right. I felt it was a little pricey, $6.99. And she has another one out. I thought I got the other one. I would like the other one much better, but this glow is really nice. Like a body spray, body mist is really, really nice. It smells really good and sexy. It's a sexy smell. So I got that. All right. And then makeup wise, I grabbed this lip sugar scrub. Okay. by Dr. Paw, lip scrub and lip duo. So I had seen this before, and I wanted to try it out, and it was $3.99. So I grabbed that one. Let's see. So I guess you get the scrub on the top. Let me see. Doesn't smell bad. It smells okay. So I got the scrub on the top, and then you get the lip balm on the bottom. Okay, nice and creamy. So it's like a 2-in-1. So not bad, right? Not bad for $3.99, and it tells you, all the particulars on the back of the box. So I got that one. All right, I love trying new beauty products. I love trying. That's my new favorite thing. Now I found some more Revolution. Y'all know Revolution is my jam. There's some other makeup brands out here that I'm going to be trying in the near future, because I've been on TikTok watching the TikTok girls, y'all. TikTok made you buy it. So be prepared to see some stuff I got off of TikTok, honey. But right now we doing TJ Maxx because that's what my budget calls for. Now this is another Revolution makeup palette. This one is called Decadent. I don't know if I have this. I don't think I do. If I have this, y'all, I'm gonna take it back. But I don't think I have this. That name sounds real familiar. So look at this one. Look at this one. Just gorgeous. Y'all know Revolution palettes are amazing. They're really rich in pigment. They're great. They blend nicely. For the price point, they're really, really, really nice shadows here. Eyeshadows. Right? Really beautiful colors. Just beautiful. Like these two are just gorgeous. Let me see. Let's take this plastic off so you can see it better. There we go. Sorry. Just gorgeous, beautiful, rich colors, lavish, plush and lavish. These two gorgeous. So I'm gonna have fun playing with these. Beautiful, beautiful. And this was what, $3.99, I believe. $3.99. Yeah, Decadent is called. And I believe this was, yeah, $4.99. So that was $4.99, y'all. $4.99. Okay. So we got that. All right, let's put this aside so we don't make a mess. Now I got this other Revolution palette. It's like every time I see one, I feel like, oh my God, I gotta have it because I've never seen it before. you know, and it's just so beautiful. And for the price point, I mean, two really cute palettes for under $10. Well, just about $10. So $4.99. Yeah, so like $10. That's great. And this one's called Ice. I thought it was like the last one I got, which was by the Game of Thrones, called Winter is Coming. It looks similar, but it has some different colors in it. So this one is called Ice. Let's open this one. All right. Beautiful colors. Look at that. Just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Oh, look at how pretty. Isn't it pretty? I'm going to look at the other palette, and if they have like same colors, I might end up taking this one back, but I don't know. Or I might just give it to my mom. My mom likes makeup, so I might just pass it along to my mom. But isn't this beautiful? I don't know if she'd rock these, like the lighter colors. She probably wouldn't do that. But some of these other colors she would rock. Like, I just love these, like these blues and these turquoises, everything. Just gorgeous. And they look great on brown skin, y'all. My black ladies, my sisters, girls, these colors are fire on brown skin, y'all. So, and I think it really, honestly, these colors look good on almost anybody. Almost anybody. If you layer it right and if you blend it properly, these colors really can look good on anybody, but they really look good on brown skin. So, all right. So gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Oh, Arctic. Let's see. Let me see. Oh my God. I didn't even dig deep into that. Oh, yeah, that's beautiful. Let's see, Crystal. That's a matte. Oh, pretty, pretty. Yeah, definitely got to blend these mattes, put them with the shimmers on top. So very pretty, y'all. Again, 4 new palettes. Who needs that many palettes? All right. And so the last thing, oh no, I got one more thing after this. And the next thing I grabbed was this Revolution brush set from Game of Thrones. Now it's flashing out, so sorry, y'all. You get 5 brushes in here. And how much was this? This was like $9.99, I think. How much was it? No, $5.99. So yeah, $5.99 for 5 brushes. And this goes with the Game of Thrones palettes that I got the last time I was there. If you did not see that video, I will link it at the end, so you can check out all the makeup I got in that one. Just really, really cute. I love these brushes. They look so fluffy. Right? Let's open this. Let's see. I'm gonna open it anyway. So, oh, that's nice. Ooh, very nice. I think these would be cute travel brushes. Really pretty. Oh, really nice. Oh, okay. I like them. I like them a lot. All right. So very pretty, fluffy, soft, nice, really nice. Well, this one's a little dense, but it's pretty nice. All right. So beautiful. I think this is a really good blending brush. Oh yeah, pretty. Oh yeah, with the make. Oh girl, that's gonna be cute. All right, so we're gonna keep those out because I'm gonna put those in my makeup thing. All right, now I can't get this in the shot and it's a glare, but I got this little tray. I'm gonna put this on my bathroom counter. Y'all, this is a vanity tray. It's so cute. It's a gold plated vanity tray. It says for dresser and jewelry and perfume. Really, really cute. I've been looking for one like this forever. I saw a silver one before and I was going to get it. And I was like, oh, it doesn't go with my decor. This gold goes perfect with my decor. So, and y'all, it was only $12.99. Isn't that great? That's such a great price for this. Oops, sorry. It's so beautiful. Like you can sit your little stuff there. All your oh, sorry, y'all. It's my camera. Sit your little items there, right? You can sit all your stuff on there. Really cute. Line up your little creams and stuff, girl. Real cute. Okay. Or look, jewelry. Look, I made jewelry, y'all. Here, let's put this in the middle so we can't see the camera. Okay, there we go. I put look jewelry. I made these bracelets. So if you want to see how I made these bracelets, you can check out my other channel, Stephanie Garrett Creative. All right, I made all these beaded bracelets, layering, great stack beaded bracelets. All right, so you can put your jewelry on here. Let me see. I don't know if you can even see this. Probably can't, but you know what I'm saying. Like you can put all your little bracelets and stuff on here. Really cute. I might have to get another one. Right? Oh, look at that. They layer up real nice. Okay, let's show that. They layer up real nice. So we like that. All right. So if you want to put your jewelry there or your makeup or whatever, okay. So yeah, really, really cute. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Right? All right, y'all. So that's it for my little small haul. I thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave it below and I'll answer you back to you. All right. And check out my links down in the description, and I will link the other TJ Maxx haul at the end of the video so you can check that out. And yeah, thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Bye.